Everybody dies. Surprise, surprise. We tell each other lies. Sometimes we try. Make you feel like be right. Be everybody dies, what they say. And maybe in a couple hundred years they'll find another way. I just wonder Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Everybody Dies by Billie Eilish. And we're going to play this with basic chords. Make sure Kepa's on fret number 3, and I'm going to show you guys how to play this for the beginner player, the intermediate, and the advanced player, alright? The chords are as follows. So first we have I don't know if this is a C major 7 or what, but it's like C, and then you're not holding the second string. So it's open, 3, 2, open, and instead of having 1 here, we're having open, open, right? Surprise, surprise. Cycle that to frets 4 and 5 to make a D. Alright, so let me show you the chords. We have G, 3, 2, open, 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 1. C, and then you cycle to fret 4 and 5, or you can play the D, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2. Alright, or cycle here to make 5, 4, open, open, open. Sorry, open, 5, 4, open, open, open. Open, 2, 2, open, open, open. That's now A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. That's a D, open, 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 2, 3, 2. Right, that's G, D, and then C. I've already shown you how to hold those. E minor again, D, C. Okay? That is your chord progression. Let's do that together. For the beginner, you want to just strum the chords. Okay, so your verse. Sometimes we try to make it feel right. Okay, let's do the whole verse together. So we have everybody dies, C, na, 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 to D, right? We tell each other lies, G, na, 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 to E minor, and I'm just strumming, yeah? A minor, to D, and then we go to E minor, D, and then C, and then we do that again, okay? E minor to D to C, and my strumming pattern remains the same. Down, down, up, down, down, right? Up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. this part is na 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 na, E minor, D, C. So that's now the second time, and then you do it again a third time. This is the fourth time. E minor. So now I'm muting the strings. So that's the fifth. Everybody dies. You then go to A minor. Hold on. Let me look for that chord on Everybody Dies. Everybody dies. So we have A minor, and then you stretch that A minor, and then you go to, so G, D, G again. Alright, so G, you ought to know. Let me cycle back. That's G, you ought to know. Off to D, E minor. What? That even when it's time, that even when it's time. G again, even when it's time. And then E minor. And then you go to A minor. Right to fold. And then we go to D. E minor. D to C. And you're not alone. E minor. D. And then C. Alright, so that's the whole progression for the whole song. And then the intermediate player might want to strum the strings. So for E minor, it's 6, 4, 3, 2. For G, 6, 4, 3, 2. So E minor, that's 6, 5, 4, 3. And then for D, 4, 3, 2. For A minor, 5, 4, 3, 2. For C, 5, 4, 3, 2. Right? And then let's see if there's an advanced way to play this. Everybody. Okay, so there is no particular advanced way to play this. You just play around with everything. If you're a fingerstyle guitarist, just add that to the chords that I already gave you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Do subscribe to the channel. Check out the rest of the tutorials from this album because I did them on this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.